Hey guys, Taylor here with another video, and if you're somebody who's bored by the typical chairs and you want to relax in style, then this is a great video for you. Today we're going to be reviewing the best zero-gravity chairs and recliners. We're going to be going through each of these and breaking down some features and functions to see which might be best for you based on your particular situation and needs. As always, I will leave links to each of these products in the description below, so feel free to check them out there if you're interested. And if I do happen to find any discounts or coupon codes, I'll put those down there for you as well.
Up first, we have the Tinycooper Zero Gravity Massage Chair. Now this is a great pairing because not only do you get the benefits of a zero gravity experience, but it also comes complete with a full body massage. There are 3 different stages of zero gravity with different therapeutic effects. It also has 32 airbags that allow for a custom massage experience literally from top to toe. In addition, there are 8 massage rollers within the backrest, as well as foot rollers, lower back heating, and the ability to choose different strengths and speed for your massage. There are 3 color options so you can match it to your space accordingly, and it does have a great 3-year warranty. Up next, we have the Utori Zero Gravity Full Body Massage Chair. Now this is truly an amazing and high quality product. It actually has professional grade FDA approved home massage settings with a wide range of features. You can do things like shiatsu massage, kneading, tapping, and vibration. It also includes foot rollers and airbags to provide an effective massage. Included in the box, there are 4 pre-programmed automatic massage options, but you can create your own personalized combination to meet your needs. It also does have 3 angles of zero gravity, again to provide relief from everyday aches and pains. This one also does have 3 different color options and a great 3-year warranty with it as well. Now for those of you who might be on a little bit more of a budget, our best budget pick was the Portal Oversized Zero Gravity Recliner Chair. Now this one doesn't necessarily have crazy massage capabilities, but it is still a great quality chair with some potential health benefits. It's got a great ergonomic design, it will be suitable for people up to 6 foot 2 inches tall, and a maximum weight of 320 pounds. It also does have lumbar support and a side table with cup holder, which is a great feature. In terms of material, it's made of a breathable back mesh. It does come fully assembled and is also available in 3 colors. Honestly, if you're just looking for that zero gravity experience to take the weight off of your joints, then definitely check this one out. It's a great option, and again, it will not break the bank. Now for those of you who want a little bit more of a full package premium option, we have the best heated zero gravity chair pick, and that's going to be the Real Relax 2020 Massage Chair. Now this one does truly offer a ton of features. There are 6 automatic massage programs, and even includes things like yoga stretching to stretch your body and help release tension. As mentioned in the name, it is heated. It has a heated lower back section to provide a therapeutic warming sensation. It also has this fantastic body detection system, which will actually adjust to different users by scanning the length of your spine and adjusting the massage roller position to suit your height. And with all of this, you also get the adjustable zero gravity angle. And one bonus feature, it does have wireless Bluetooth speakers. Again, this is truly an all-in-one package. So if you want to pump your jams while you're getting a great massage, then this is the option for you. Now for those of you who might not have a ton of space in your house but still want to take advantage of a zero gravity chair, we have the best space saving option, and that's going to be the Perfect Chair PC610 Zero Gravity Power Recliner. Now a lot of these gravity / massage chairs are bulky, but this one is definitely streamlined and it's far smaller. It comes in one of 3 beautiful wood finishes with 11 colors of premium leather or polyurethane. You can also customize this chair by adding additional memory foam, jade heating stones, or premium leather in order to craft the perfect chair for you and your space. It has a 5-way controller to offer a range of zero gravity positions for you to choose from. This is definitely a quality product. It does have a solid wood base, independent leg and recline positions, and a full support head pillow. So guys, if you're wondering why someone might want to buy a zero gravity chair or recliner, as I mentioned before, it does have a wide assortment of health benefits. If you do suffer from things like a bad back, swollen legs, or just being on your feet all day, zero gravity chairs can really take the tension off of those areas and have a ton of relaxing features to boot. They're also great to take on the road when you're camping, etc. After a long day of hiking, it's great to take all of the weight and pressure off of your sore joints. Again, with some of these premium features, you also get that added massage capability or heat sensation as well, so it just goes the extra mile to really work out all of those knots. So guys, if you're somebody that finds themselves sore very often and you really want something to take all of the pressure and pain away, then definitely check out one of these awesome zero gravity massage chairs. Anyway guys, that was a look at some of the best gravity chairs that you can buy out there.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed yourself, make sure to press that like button, and if you want to see more of these videos, make sure to press that subscribe button and notification so you would know when we drop a new video. Also, if you're interested in any of these products, you will find all their links in the description. Thank you. See you next video.